सोशल मीडिया सब बंद हो चुका है.
Everything
Pakistani, media.
sort of Pakistani social media accounts etc. was shut down. Between the intervening night of 6th and 7th May, we begin. Operation Sindoor begins. Did you expect, or just with your experience, all three of you, did you expect the retaliation by India to be so severe?
See, what was more important? हमने पहली बार जब किया तो हमने क्या बोला, हमने लॉन्च पैड्स पे अटैक किया. They came back again. मेरी प्रॉब्लम उस सीवियरिटी की अभी नहीं है. मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगली बार होगा तो आपकी सीवियरनेस क्या होगी. सीवियरिटी तो यस, see the kind of outage and the way those people were killed, it had to be severe. And expectations or not, it doesn't matter.
And what I know, what I've heard from people, that the initial idea was to not go that heavy. But then the message came from top कि ये इतना हम इनको टारगेट करते हैं, छोटे मोटे से काम नहीं चलेगा.
But PM had already said मिट्टी में मिला देंगे and things. तो मिट्टी में मिला देंगे means what?
I think the message again, the मिट्टी में मिला देंगे did not send the message rightly across, and it was reiterated कि बड़ा करना है.
हाँ.
And then came the
second attack.
big boys. No, on the first night itself.
On the first, okay, the BrahMos you're talking about.
But frankly,
and
in my 32 years while I was in service, I never thought that someday we will be hitting Muridke.
ठंड पै गई. That was my thing also.
Ma'am,
I've driven past, and on that when you're going in Lahore and you think, भाई एक दिन तो इसको उड़ाना है. You're thinking you're being driven by a Pakistani driver, but you're thinking at that time, ek din to ye udega.
Pakistanis themselves, the people in their reporters, their media,
they also didn't expect.
They also never expected, and they have shown us the extent of damage that has been done by Indian missile strikes.
They're incredulous themselves.
Seriously, the governments, whatever be, I don't want to make it a political statement, but somehow we never had that confidence कि कभी वहाँ तक strike मारेंगे, but मारा.
बस मसूद असर बच गया.
मैं तो वो ना जो गुंबद के बीच में से गया ना मिसाइल, मैं तो उस एक्यूरेसी से बड़ा इम्प्रेस्ड.
हाँ. What was your first reaction when you heard that? Was like, oh no, this has escalated, or oh my God, yes. What was your reaction, or do you react like that at all?
Compulsive contrarian.
No, not like that. So firstly, I never expected that sort of retaliation ever, having been highly disappointed multiple times of my years in service. So for me, it was knew this. But I felt, okay, this is a great thing for this nation. You cannot be on the receiving end continuously. And those guys, I told you, it's a battle of the day they feel, the next, like you said, next time, what will you do? That is when the Pakistan Army commander for the first time, now it is, will he hit in the first 24 hours directly at me? Then you will see these things will stop.
No,
he has to feel the fear. Second, that military commander sitting out there taking the decision feels that he will use an auxiliary force and strike over there, and he feels that it might come back to hit you, he might think before. He is so confident otherwise. It's in the battle of the mind.
It's a battle of the mind. So this time he knows. And agli baar, it has got to be ugly.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.